Basilico on the radio line. Let's start. Yo, yo. Hello, my kids. I wrote you a song about how to live your life and stay strong. Life isn't easy, it can be tough, but if you are strong, it's not so rough. You need to stand as one, united and true. That's how you'll face what life puts you through. Most obstacles fall when hearts align, when yours and mine together shine.
Stand as one through night and day. Hold on tight, come what may. Friends and family, love and care. Together strong, nothing can tear.
If you don't support each other through, anger and doubt will follow you. With restless hearts and heavy strife, you won't go far along in life. So take this truth and hold it tight. Unity turns the dark to light. This is the rule, the timeless way. Stand as one, come what may. Choose your friends with thought and care, for not every smile is always fair. The mind can wander, doubt and bend, but wisely chosen friends defend. Choose simple people, honest and true, not those who exploit or deceive you. Not thieves of trust, nor hearts unclean, but steady souls with aims serene. At last there's a road you'll have to tread, a path of peace where you are led. And when you're grown with heart awake, a life companion you must take. The trials you face won't all be light, yet they are part of life's true fight. So choose a partner strong and wise. It shapes your days, your lows and highs.
Think very well who you invite through your open door into your life. First of all, be friends so true that life feels lighter, shared by two. Beauty fades just like a breeze, but mood and kindness stay with ease. Find someone who can truly hear, who stands to help and draw you near.
A loyal friend, both firm and kind. Hold on to them, they're rare to find. So these are my words for your life ahead. Simple truths that must be said, for mom and dad won't always stay right there.